here along Australia Highway near Makati. And we are here with our tropa, Jason, who owns Steadfast
Hi,
Stores.
good afternoon. Welcome to Steadfast Autoworks.
Unfortunately, from here onwards,
So, umpisa natin dito. Meron kaming PMS dito sa shop. Ang oils na ginagamit namin is yung Totachi oil at saka Amps oil.
they have different brands. Marami on this side. Ito yung mga tires. They have different brands, different tires, PFG, Arrivo, Fuel, Black Rhino, and more. Yan yung pinaka-popular dito. Ang tawag niya dito, no? Nandyan naka-display yung iba niyang collectibles. And bilang anime lover din ako, if I'm not mistaken, I'm just on it. Makikita niyo siya agad. Very noticeable yung shop.
Here you have it, our mini tour here at Steadfast Autoworks. By the way, nag-training din siya. Diba?
Yes, hanggang ngayon. Meron pa rin, nag-coach pa rin ako.
Kung nakilala ko siya, sobrang galing niya na coach. And very high-end ang iyong mga clients ngayon.
Pwede rin kayo mag-walk-in sa amin along Osmeña Highway lang kami Makati.
And paano may mga viewers tayo dyan na nakita dito sa vlog ko, ang Steadfast Autoworks, may discount din ba?
Yes, bigyan natin.
Get your car pumping! Thank you!